How to use M&S Gift Card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be learning about using and redeeming the Marks & Spencer gift card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in Marks & Spencer or M&S in the search bar and hit enter. Then you will come across various websites from where you need to locate M&S Marks & Spencer clothing, home, food and gifts. Click on this link over here, and as soon as you do that, you will be taken to the official page of Marks & Spencer. From here, simply go ahead and go to any of the sections such as men, kids, baby, anything you would like to shop. For this video, I'm going to go to the furniture option. From here, I'm going to go to 4x4 cedar garden table and chair and simply click on add to bag option. After you do that, just go ahead and click on the checkout option again. You will reach the payment section. Here, view your total and summary. Look for the option of add a promotional code. Click on it. And from the drop-down menu, a box will appear where you have to enter the correct form of your promotional code. Enter the code from your gift card, which can be found under the protected layer on the back of your physical card, or simply paste the code from the virtual card. Click on Apply Code option highlighted in green color. And if the code is valid, you will see a significant discount reflected in your total. So this was all about it. This is how you can redeem and use M&S gift card online. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.